Hello. Today we're going to talk about the 4 pattern, the 3 pattern, and the 2 pattern. The first thing that you should do is notice your posture. The feet should be shoulder width apart. Your arm should not have a right angle in it. And the tension between your hand and your wrist and your shoulder should be released. Now, before we get into the preparation and articulation of conducting, I want to show you the patterns. So, first I'll show you the 4, then the 3, and then the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. So as you can see, the 4, the 3, and the 2 pattern are all very different. The 4 pattern, beat 1 starts in the center, 1, then moves to the left, 2, then to the right, 3, and then back to the center, 4. The 3 pattern starts in the center, 1, but then 2 goes to the right, and then back to the center for 3. And then the 2 pattern starts in the center, and then 2 happens on out to the right, and then back into the center. 1, 2. Something that you should keep in mind when you are conducting is the preparation, which is how you begin conducting. So watch what I do. 1, 1. Now, the breath that you're hearing is what I'm imagining I'm about to start conducting. 1. If you hear that breath, you would think maybe the piece is slower or more relaxed. But let's say it's going to be something faster. My breath would sound something like this. 1, 1. Now, another important part of conducting is the ictus, which is the change in direction. So, in a 4 pattern, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, each beat has a change in direction, which helps the musicians know that the beat is changing. So 1 starts here, and then the change of direction happens to beat 2, the change in direction to beat 3, and the change in direction beat 4. Now the ictus should stay the same right on the horizontal line. However, if the music is different, for example, something more smooth and connected, the spaces in between the beats will also look different. So, for example, if you're playing something more legato or smooth, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Versus staccato or separated, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.